Alright everybody, here we are again, and let's continue with this. This time I will be turning the chats on. Maybe somebody will be able to help me with this. And as for this issue, I will resolve it and then only I will move to something else. This is actually gonna be like that. But let's see whether this actually gets fixed or not. Alrighty, I'm audible, and let's continue with this thing. And the main problem was this. And let's simply, first of all, go through the proper documentation. And I've already gone through it, don't know how many times, so I don't even think I will get something else. Beyond authenticating users, BetterAuth also provides a set of methods to manage users. This includes updating user information, sending password, and more. The user table stores authentication data of the user. Click to view the schema. The user table can be extended using additional field by plugins to store additional data. To update the information, you can update the user function provided by the client. The update user function takes an object with the following properties: name and this image. Change email to allow users to change their email. First, enable change email feature, which is disabled by default. Change email enabled to true. And just after that, export const or BetterAuth change email, that's gonna be enabled. Okay, once that is actually enabled, then I can actually send that. Avoid awaiting. By default, when a user requests to change their email, a verification email is sent to the new email address. By default, when a user requests to change their email, a verification email is sent to new email address. The email is only updated after the user verifies the new email. Really? Confirm with current email. For added security, you can require users to confirm the change via their current email before the verification email is sent to the new address. To do this, provide the send verification email function. Is this like this? Like as soon as I verify the email actually comes here as well. Just a sec. Close this, and in this particular section, unauthorized. Okay, I actually signed out. But what I mean, just in here, I can reload the page again. Let's sign in again. And which account am I gonna be signing with? Maybe this one. And I will be entering the password. PAWS 1 2 3 4. Alrighty, I'm here, and what I can actually do that I will be just using another email over here, coding the code 999, just like this, request change, and because maybe I'm letting the user update the email without verifying the email over here. Update email without verification, that is already true. That means I won't need to do this, right? So let's do it like this. And once all these things are done, reload the page and send the email one more time, coding the code 999, request the change. And once I've actually requested, I will go to this email here and refresh the page. I got the approval email. Click on this, and that got changed. I can go to my dashboard, one audio book. Where is the user being redirected to? Whenever I verify the email, at that time in the profile page form.tsx, fallback URL was nothing, so that is why it was getting redirected there. But this time I will be using this particular email, that means the new email, and the new email is going to be the new email. So new email is gonna be equals to the new email, just like this. Fine. And I can reload the page, it is fine. I can go to the profile page. I can request a change coding the code 999, and after this every inside coding the code. Am I getting any email over here? And guess what, I did get this thing register at 10:41. Okay, I can actually click on this. I got this just recently, like this one. Click on this, and once it is actually clicked, let's see whether it is actually able to do that or not. I still have the same email, that means it is not able to verify your email. Your email has been verified successfully. Go to the dashboard. I still have the same email. Apart from this particular thing, let's refresh this. I got this email over here as well. Get the link click the link to verify your email. I got this. It is a two-step process or what? What the? Seriously? It is a two-step process. I will have to approve first of all, then I will have to verify. Only then the email is going to be changed. Right now it has been changed. Dipendra, I spent more than 1.5 hours on this particular error. And right now the email has been changed. This is insane. Alright, apart from this particular thing, what I can actually do, first of all, let's have a look at this. Okay. Auth.ts, what am I doing over here? First of all, send a change confirmation email. That is fine. That is just the confirmation email. Update email without verification true. What other options do I have over here? Send change email verification. This is the one. What does this do? Send email verification to the user and deprecated. Send a change email confirmation. So right now I have to use confirmation. I'm not gonna be using this, right? It has been deprecated, so I will have to go with this. And once I'm actually going with this, then the email is getting sent, and I'm simply saying that I will be updating the email without any verification. So if I'm updating the email without any verification, so it should be updated. Let's try this thing one more time. By the way, this is being updated, but there are two steps. I will have to like confirm first of all, approve from my this Gmail, and then I have to verify the Gmail. There are two steps right now. First of all, let's make it like one audio book 1@gmail.com. Request the change. The change has been requested. I will have to go to my this coding the code Gmail, and over here I must have got that approve change. I can click on this to approve the change. The change has been going to be improved, like approved, but still I haven't got that email like one audiobook. For that thing I will have to go to that one audiobook email, and over here I have got verify email. I will have to click on this, and I will have to click on the verify email. So ultimately verification links get sent automatically, and verification link gets sent after I have approved. Otherwise the verification link will not be sent. I can click on this, and email has been verified. I can go to the dashboard, and right now I'm getting one audiobook 1@gmail.com. and if I check the database, I will have only one Gmail over here, and that is the one audiobook one, because coding the code 999 that has been replaced, so I have only one. Interesting. But what if I just directly want the user to log in? In that case, update email without verification, I have to turn it off. because this is not working as expected. Let's go with this one. I will be removing this .next stuff, and once it is actually removed, I will be running it again. And let's try to do the same thing again one more time. Will the same thing happen? In order to do that, dashboard, this profile, I can go here, reload the page. Hi, how are you? Glad to have you here. Okay, the page is just taking some time. Fine, I can go to my profile. I'm already inside that, and this time I will be changing it. So coding the code 999, I request the change, and let's see, the email has been sent successfully. I can go here, coding the code, and if I just refresh the page, I didn't get anything over here. And if I check this particular thing right now, ये क्या है? यहाँ पे मैं बेटर ऑथ अप्लाई करने की ट्राई कर रहा हूँ. सो अल्टीमेटली नेक्स्ट जेएस पे वेरिफिकेशन के लिए बेटर ऑथ का यूज कर रहा हूँ. As soon as I click on this, then user should be redirected to the email verified. Okay, is the email changed? Email hasn't been changed yet, but I must have got the email verification email over here. This is the one. Now I can click on this and I can verify the email, and once the email is actually verified, then I will be getting that particular email. So if I go to this page right now, again, if I reload it, or maybe here in this particular section, if I go to the dashboard, bye. Yeah, bye. Alrighty, so coding the code 999@gmail.com. this time it has been changed. It took a lot of time actually, but there's again a problem. What is the problem right now? The problem is that this is the two-step process, and even if I allow this update email without verification, it is not working as expected. So first of all, I will have to approve the user. Once I have approved the user, then the user will have to verify its own email, and then only the user can actually see the updated email. Okay, let's go through the documentation of BetterAuth again and see how many other options are there. So first of all, change email is gonna be enabled. After that, this is the email approve email change that I'm actually sending. After that, updating without verification. If you want to allow users to update their email immediately without verification, only if the current email is not verified. If you want to allow users to update their email immediately without verification, only if the current email is not verified, you can enable okay. So the thing is that directly you cannot do that, but if you say update email without verification, so even if your email is not verified, you will be able to update the email. Interesting. If update email verification is false, default, the email will not be updated until the new email is verified, even if the current email is unverified. Wait again. Update email without verification is false, that is by default, right? The email will not be updated until the new email is verified. If it is false, so what they are saying, the email will not be updated until the new email is verified, even if the current email is unverified. So ultimately I will have to verify the new email, only then the user will the email will be updated. Okay, so updated email without verification, update email without verification, that is true, and by default it is false. That simply means the email will not be updated until the new email is verified, and that's what I've been doing so far. Even if the current email is unverified, forget about that. So if you want to allow users to update their email immediately without verification, the new user, if you want to allow the users to update their email immediately without verification, only if the current user is not verified, you can enable update without verification. If I don't enable it, then what will happen? Let's check it. Right now it is disabled, right? Update email without verification, this is disabled right now. So I can go here and is it enable? I mean yeah, it is verified. I can sign out from here, and once I'm actually signed out, I can sign in with Google for just for the quick login, and I can go with any Gmail, maybe this one, and I can continue. It's already verified by default. Let's forget about this, and I will be using another Gmail. That's gonna be one that's already done. Maybe Vipin Patel 999 PASSWORD@1234. Remember me, click on again. I can't log in, I'll have to sign up first of all. So many steps, but never mind. Let's enter any name, let's enter the right Gmail, and after that at least I should not be using this one. So let's use Chal Singh Patel 999 should be enough because I've sent so many. After that what can I do? Password, and same here again, PASSWORD@1234. Create the account. Once the account is created, user will be logged in automatically. That is a good thing. Email is not verified. Will I be able to send a request to change the email? So let's try to change this. I will be changing it with coding the not even. I cannot do that because the coding the code already exists, if I'm not wrong. Let's refresh it and see whether it is the case or not. And it is not the case. Okay, so I can use codingthecode.com. Coding the code 999.com. Let's simply make a request change. User already exists. Use another email. User already exists. Really? I have only one. If I use audiobook, okay, it's still running or what? Okay, here we are. So Anchal Singh Patel, I have this. Vipin Singh Patel 333, coding the code I have, so I can use one audiobook. Let's use that. That's right. And the good thing is that they are giving me the error over here. What could be better than this? One audiobook 1@gmail.com. Request the change. Verification email sent to your current user. That is fine. And current user in the sense, what was the user? Anchal Singh Patel 999@gmail.com. I'll have to open her Gmail over here, and that's gonna be this one. Not working actually, sorry for that. The another one I'm talking about, the another one in the sense this one. I will be going here, and once I'm inside this, I got my verification link, and user is not. What is this? Click the link to verify your email. Wait. Verification email sent to your address. That means first of all, user needs to be verified. This is the verification email. Verify email I'm getting. So if I click on this, user is going to be actually verified first of all, and the user got verified. Once the user actually got verified, then the next time when I will click on this, what will I get? Verification email sent to your current address. Okay, and this time if I check this current address right now, approve your email. So first of all, I got verify your email. How many hours do you code, dude? Nothing's clear. If I get time early in the morning, I start. If I get some work, I do the work. Then I get busy. So it's like, if I have time, I code, and it is like almost all the day. But in between, I just get some work, so I just get busy doing that. Otherwise, I just keep coding. It's just like that. So the more time I have, the better it is for me. It's just like that. There is no limitation. If I have all the day, I will code all the day. If I don't get tired coding. Okay. Then here I can just simply verify it, and as soon as I verify it, this is actually insane. Email verified successfully, and right now Anchal Singh Patel is still there. And as soon as the email actually got verified, then I will get an email In which section? In the codingthecode.com, coding the code email. So maybe in this particular one. And if I refresh the page over here, come on, I should be getting it. I'm not getting it. This is the same email that I was trying to use, right? Coding the code, yeah. Better Auth. First of all, Better Auth sent me a verify email link from here. So as soon as I click on request, because my email was not verified, so I got that email. That was fine. And this was this one at 10:52. What time is it? 56. So I got this particular email for verifying it because my email was not verified. Fine. Because if you want to change your email, your first email needs to be verified. Okay. Apart from this particular thing, and then the second time I clicked the same thing. So one audiobook one. Okay, so the email is going to be sent here, one audiobook one. So let's check that thing, one audiobook one. This is the one. I must have got the email here. Yeah, I got the email at 10:55. This is the email that I have got. If I click on this, email verified successfully, and now I'm getting one audiobook one. So ultimately I am able to change the email, but there are few steps. First of all, your first email needs to be verified. This is the first thing. Second thing, once you actually approve your email, then you will have to verify the new email as well. So this is kind of 3 steps, 2 steps mainly overall. And if I just enable this update email without verification, then what will happen? This is something that I have to check. Interesting. Let's try this thing out. For this thing, I will mainly be deleting the .next cached folder so that I actually started from the beginning, because even this causes the issues sometimes. Okay, once this thing is done, then I am gonna be enabling the user update email without verification. That simply means that even if the email is not verified, I will be sending, wow, this is amazing actually. Just a sec. If update email without, if I'm not wrong, without verification is false, and that is by default. By default, DAFULT, by default. That means when you change your email and your email is not verified, you will get a verify email link. Oh, hi Zuhaib, how are you? Good to see you, bro. Here you will get a verify email link in your Gmail. After the verification, you will get the Gmail, or you will get the email to approve change email, just like this. So this is gonna be the first thing. And when still learning Auth, don't ask. Auth it is almost the ending thing. I just got stuck with updating the email, but overall Better Auth is done. I don't need to worry about Better Auth. I'm confident about 2 things right now. I'm able to use Passport properly. I'm able to use Better Auth properly. But it will keep going on. Even once I'm done with this particular thing, I will be rebuilding it. So like, I haven't built the front end so far. I've been just working on the business logic, so I'm yet to work on the front end. So I will be recreating everything. Even if I know, I will add all the features of Auth, Better Auth, and I have to learn about Next Auth as well. So Next Auth and Plug, they are remaining. I will be busy learning them, and I will be recreating the whole project with this one. Even if I know it's gonna be better, because I will add more things after that. By the way, it is true right now. That simply means and if, and not only that, and if it's true, in that case, change email link will be sent to your Gmail directly, but in anyhow, and but at the end you'll end, not but, just make it end, and come on, not AMD, and what, and at the end you will get a verification, or not even at the end, after approving the change email request from your current email, you will get a verify email link in your new email. Then what? Verify the new email to see the update changes, like update. See the result. Verify the new email to see the result of updating or changing the email. Wow, I mean, this is something that's gonna happen all the time. So let's check it. Right now I have made it update email without verification. That means the verification email will not be sent, rather approving email will be sent, and that is it, you are done. So let's try this thing out. So I'll actually have to create a new account, and creating a new account in the sense I can go to my Prisma over here, and I can select just all the users so that I don't have to worry about it, and I can just simply delete all the users. And come on, users should be deleted. It's gonna take a delete operation failed. Thank you very much. Let's reload the page, and after that I will have some more users, that is for sure. That is why it is saying that failed, but wait for a while, it is taking some time. Never mind, I can just simply select all of them. I can click on delete, and will it still failed? I mean, will it still fail? Not failed. It's just I can just directly do it. Okay, it succeeded. Bro, do you prefer graphic dev or traditional software dev in today's India? Do you prefer graphic dev or traditional software dev in today's India? Could you elaborate it a little more? I'm sorry, but graphic dev means what? Graphic dev. Are you talking about the graphic design versus traditional software? Are you talking about the front end and back end? Graphic development focuses on visual aesthetic user experience UI. So graphic development simply means you are talking about the front end part, or traditional software means you are talking about the back end part. Is that so? I mean, let me know more about that. Graphic programmer versus game developer. Oh, forget about game developer. So ultimately, by traditional software means you meant back end. I'm not sure. Can you elaborate a little bit? Okay, so let's do it. Once all these things got done, I can come back here. If I reload the page, there is no user, so I will be redirected to the sign-in page, maybe an authorized page, of course in the unauthorized page. And one more thing, I will be just simply restarting it so that I'm not gonna be facing that cache issue related thing. Let's remove .next, and from here I will be restarting it. And once I have restarted this, I can go here and reload the page. Come on, it will just take some time to compile this stuff and all. Next year stuff, it often happens. Graphic programming and traditional software means traditional software dev. Mainly I'm a backend person. I do know, I mean, I'm both. I'm okay with both, but I'm not good at UI and UX. Like I can create front end, I can create backend, but I'm not really good at creating good looking websites. I need to learn UI UX properly, but I can create websites like these directly using some front end libraries and all. So yeah, right now even it's getting easier, so kind of I'm getting better at this right now. I hope I answered the question. I'm not sure. TASS, full stack in general. Okay, so I am good at full stack. I can build the front end, I can build the back end, but one thing is missing, that is UI UX developer who is actually good at creating really good looking websites. I like that. but it does not mean that I cannot create front ends. I cannot create I don't know how to use Tailwind. I know all these things. Ultimately I know everything in the front end side, but no, having the skill from that actually makes you create outstanding websites, I have to learn that. As simple as that. By the way, PASSWORD@1234. Same here, PASSWORD@1234. I will be signed in automatically, but the email is not going to be verified. Let's see, wait and watch what else. Signed up successfully. Here I am. Email is not verified. I will directly try to change the email even if it is not verified, and I will be changing to what? Coding the code 999@gmail.com. Request the change and verification sent to your current address. So current address is what? Current address is one audiobook@gmail.com. That is this one right now. Let's see which email did I get. I got, this is not fair. I'm getting verify email. Why am I getting this verification email when I'm simply saying that what am I saying? Update email without verification, and that is true. Bro, just a sec. I'm not getting the right email. If you want to allow users to update their email immediately without verification, only if the current email is not verified, yeah, you can enable update email without verification to true. That is what I've done. What will this do? If email without verification is false default, the email will not be updated until the new email is verified. The email will not be updated until the new email is verified, even if the current email is unverified. So ultimately, new email needs to be verified. Let's check if I just simply click on that, what will happen. Ask ChatGPT. They are not actually describing it really well. Okay, ChatGPT. What is the use of this and when it's used? By the way, keep going. Good luck with your debugging. Thank you, Dash. Means a lot to the. I hope that's the Dash Hashti. Okay, I think that's the name. By the way, update email without verification is optional setting you can add inside your change email. That is right. Normally, when a user changes their emails, they submit a new email, right? Better Auth sends a verification link to the new email. Only after clicking the link does the email get updated. Okay, but if you set email without verification to true, then Better Auth will immediately update the user's email in the database without sending a verification link. No verification email. No confirmation step. Email update instantly. Is that so? Okay. When it is used, this option is useful in situations like users who never verified their current email. User signs up with this but does not verify it. They want to change it to this. If email verification is required, they can't confirm anything because their current email is invalid. So for this case, update email true lets them fix their email without being stuck. Trusted environment admin panels. Only if admins can change the emails like this. Offline. So update without verification false. Secure requires verify new email default. Yeah, email updates instantly, no verification required. And right now I'm using confirmation as well. So new user will definitely, just a sec, email updates instantly and no verification required. That simply means, just a sec, confirmation, I'm using this send email confirmation. That means I will get the email over here and I will have to confirm the user, right? So let me confirm the user. Confirming the user in the sense not here. What was the email? One audiobook. This is the one, and this is the email that I'm getting 3 minutes ago. I got this. I can click on this. The user is going to be verified, right? The user is verified and I still have, come on, user got verified. Oi. email got changed directly. Just a sec. One more time. It is amazing. Profile, coding the code triple line, right? I will be making it VIPENDRA Singh Patel triple line at gmail.com. Not triple line, let's make it 333. Let's add a L over here. Okay, send a request change. So the request got sent to what? To this particular email, coding the code triple line. I'll have to open it. Quite crazy stuff. Playing with the settings, great. Got the email here. Okay, and this is the verify email. Email verify. But as soon as I verify this email, this is the verification email for what? This, if I click on this, let's see what happens. First of all, do not guess anything. Go to dashboard, and right now I'm getting Vipin Singh Patel 333. Okay, that simply means even if this email is not verified, first of all, when I click on this, the user email is getting changed automatically. So I can even stop sending this. What I can say that I'm not gonna be even sending the email. Forget about the email and all. Forget about this, and what else? Nothing else. From the email form, forget about this callback URL. That means once the email is changed, that's it, done. And after that, what will I be doing? After that, nothing else. Let's simply change it again. This is going to be coding the code triple line. Change it. Reload the page. And that is coding the code triple line. Change it to 1 2 3 4. Request, change it. And let's go to the main page. And right now it is 1 2 3 4. Amazing. That simply means what is happening over here, that auth.ts, if you say update email without verification true, so it will be updating your email without verification. If and this is not by default, you are manually doing it, and it is false by default. False in the sense an email will be sent to the new user email, and over there you will have to verify that. So if I'm keeping it false just like this, and if I create a new account right now, or forget about the new account, let's go here, one profile, and again this confirmation, I'm not even verifying, this email is not verified, and that is fine, and I'm not sending the confirmation email. There are three steps are here actually. First of one is this, that update email without verification. If it is true, then you will be updating the email without verification. If it is false, then you will get a link on the new user's email. Okay, this is the first thing. Second thing is this, send a confirmation. So if a send a confirmation change email is here, then you will be sending a confirmation email to the current user, so that current user actually confirm that okay, I do want to change the email. So I'm even stopping this. That means I will not send the confirmation email to the current user. I will not even update email without verification. That is false. That means an email will be sent to the new email, and then that's it, and I will have to verify from there. Let's try this thing out. Click on this profile, and let's make it coding the code triple line. Request, email has been sent, but email has been sent to this particular email, if I'm not wrong. I'm sure about this, at least I can be sure about this. And here I have got this particular email, and now they are just simply asking me to verify my email, and if I click on this, email is going to be changed. As simple as that. So okay, I'm redirected here, coding the code triple line. I'm mainly redirected here because I have commented this particular option here. So let's even uncomment it, and right now it's gonna be done. So yeah, I'm able to change the email as well, and that's it. What else do I need to do? This thing got done. I can even add the photo and all. Save it. So photo is also added. Apart from this particular thing, so the thing that I have actually written here, let's even check this thing out. The comments are not right, so I can go back here, and here if update email without verification false by default. When you change your email, and there are many things actually, and okay, forget about this. When you change your email is not forget about this verification. Okay, just a sec. When you change your email and your email is not verified, you will get a verify email link in your email after the verification. Sorry. And you will get the email to approve the change email only when send confirmation email is on, otherwise not, right? And send change email confirmation is being used, only then you will get that, otherwise you will not. If it is true in the sense this particular section, if it is true, change email link will be sent to your email directly. Not only that, and send change email confirmation is being used again over here. In that case, what will happen? If it is true, by default, first of all it is false. If it is false, what will happen? If it is false, then an email will be sent, and that's it. You don't really need to do anything. If it is being used, that means if it is true and send a confirmation email you are using, in that case confirmation email will be sent. So confirmation email will be sent, and change email link will be sent to your email directly. Change email link, will it be sent? No, nothing, it will not be sent. So that is the only thing will happen. So let's remove this particular part from here, get rid of this. So ultimately you will just simply send a confirm email, that's it, because it is true, so it will allow that. And apart from this particular thing, one more step can be here, and or let's make it or as well. This is the second situation, this is the third situation. In the third situation, it's true, but that's it, but not using send change email confirmation. That simply means if it is true, you can directly change the email, as simple as that, without any verification and all. One more step can be ki, or it's false, that is by default, and not using send change email confirmation. So there are four conditions, conditions I can call them. In that case, what will happen? If it is false in the sense you will get the verify email link in your new email. I will even verify them whether whatever I've written that is right or not, and at the end, that is it. I'm not gonna be having them here. So these are the four steps or four conditions that you may have. So first of all, email without verification, that is false, that is by default, and send email confirmation is being used. Okay, in that case, when you change your email is not verified, and your email is not verified, so you will get a verify email link. After the verification, you will get the approve change email, that is right, you will get approved change email, and after approving you will get the new email verification link in your new email. So these are the steps, sorry for that, but yeah, this is how it simply goes. Home, Let's try this for the first thing. Over here I will make it false and I will be using this send confirmation. Okay, so that simply means this is already false and I will be using this particular method. This will prove that whatever I've written here, that is exactly right or not. So I can even make it like this. If it is being used, in that case this is gonna be the first thing. When you change your email and your email is not verified, in that case this is gonna be the second thing. You will get a verify email link in your email after the verification and email, and this is gonna be the third step. After verification you will get the email to approve the change, and this is gonna be the fourth step. After approving you will get a new email verification link in your new email. So these are the steps that are actually gonna be happening over here. Let's check them whether it is actually happening or not. First of all, this is false and this is I'm using this. Okay, that's fine. Let's try that. So for that thing I will actually do one more thing. I will go to my Prisma here. I will reload the page here, and once I have actually reloaded the page, then I will just delete all the users so that I can start it from scratch, because I have to check it right. This is gonna be the test of my understanding, whether my understanding is right or not. Okay, I only have one user right now. I can just simply click on delete this particular user so that I can use the emails again and again. Just it. Okay, this user is going to be deleted, and the next thing what I can do that let's directly go here. So many tabs are open, so let's even delete some of them. Delete all of them. I mean close all of them. What is the use of having so many of them here? Okay, this is fine. And right now let's get started. Reload the page. You will be logged out, of course, unauthorized. Let's click on this, and I can sign up with the Google, but the thing is that email will directly be verified, and that is what I don't want. So let's click on this, and any email, maybe one audiobook, and I will be entering the password. So PAWSWORD@1234, just like this, and PAWSWORD@1234. Create the account. Account is created. I will be signed in. As simple as that. Okay, right now the email is not verified. So what will happen when I try to change the email? Even I must have got the email verification link. So if I go here, one audiobook, this is the where is that? This is the Gmail that I'm talking about. So inside this I must have got the verification link. Yeah, this is the one that I have got. But okay, let's not worry about this. Okay. Alrighty. So next time, if I try to coding the code 999, what will happen? If I just try to add this, request the change, that is fine. Let's go here. Let's refresh the page. And turns out the last time the verification email that I actually got, that was first of all, this is the same email, right? One audiobook1@gmail.com. So as soon as I requested that, I'm not getting that here. Interesting. In my spam, avian, I don't even have that. Interesting. In my inbox. Okay. Coding the code 999, verification email sent. Let's send it again. Okay, refresh the page. This is the one audiobook that I have, right? I can click on coding the code. I can open that as well. Am I getting the requests there? I can click on Gmail. Wow, 11:24. I got them here. Interesting. So first one I got at 0 minutes ago. Second one, okay. So I'm getting them here. Why? This is false. That simply means that I will have to verify the email, and I'm verifying that. Second, I'm using send email confirmation. So email should be sent in the current user. That is not happening. That simply means that I have to delete this dot next to, because this should be working the nicely. One thing is okay, like this second step, you will get a verify email link in your email. This thing will not happen, so it is not true. I will have to even remove this particular thing, because the email that I actually got, that was because of sign up, so this thing never happened. But before that, let's simply run it again. npm run dev, and once I'm running it again, I can go here, internal server here, that's fine. Reload the page, wait for a while, and then let's see. Exactly want to know the flow, what happens in which particular situation and all. One audiobook, fine, right? Yeah, then what will I be doing? I will be just simply, and right now what am I using? I'm saying that update email without verification, that is false by default. False in the sense email verification is required, and I'm sending this confirmation email. I do need to get this confirmation email, otherwise one more thing, I can only get this confirmation email when I'm actually having the callback URL here, and I do have the, not here actually, inside this, do I have the callback URL? Email verified, I do have the callback URL, so then it should be working fine. So let's simply change the email, coding the code 999, send the request, and once the request got sent, I can go to my one audiobook. Let's refresh the page. I'm not getting any confirmation email now. This is insane. Why am I not getting any confirmation email? Okay, forget about that. Inside this, I'm getting verify your email link. This is mainly for verification. As soon as I'm gonna be clicking on this, email is going to be changed, as simple as that, because this is the verification email. That is fine, but why am I not getting any confirmation email? That is crazy step. I should be getting the confirmation email, auth.ts, what the hell, control W, and then send a change email confirmation, and this is always sent. Why is this not getting sent right now? Suppose I'm not even using this, only this much I have. Client minimum send auto sign in false, send as a password, fine. Send approve email change. This particular approve email is not getting sent. Interesting. Let's try it with another. By the way, if I just simply click on this verify thing, what will happen? The email is going to be changed or what? If I go to dashboard, coding the code 999, the email got changed, but I'm not getting confirmation email. If once it got changed, it got verified as well, so I don't really need to worry about that. But I didn't get the verify confirmation email. That is insane actually. Okay, I can click on this again, and does it mean that you will be getting the confirmation email only when your email is verified? Otherwise you will not be getting the confirmation email? That is something we need to check. So let's try to do one thing again. Let's simply create the account, one more account, and that's gonna be which one? Just account, maybe 999 PAWS WORD @1234. Same over here, PAWS WORD @1234. Let's create the account. I'll be signing again. Right now email is not verified, so if I try to change the email, instead of using this, I will simply say that I'm gonna be using Vipendra, so VIPENDRA, this one. If I simply send a request right now, so I'm sending a request from Achal Singh Patel, I'm changing the email to Vipen Singh Patel, and if I go here, I mean none of them are required right now, so I can open those particular emails. So first one is 999 Vipin Singh Patel. I'm already here. Let's go with this one. And second one is Anshul Singh Patel. I can go with this one over here, and I'm gonna be checking the status right now. So first of all, in the Bipendra, I got the verification email because that's the email I'm changing. That is fine. In Anchal's, what did I get? I got verification email just at what time? 11:30. This particular email I got because I got it 2 times. First one was 38 minutes ago, so 1 minute ago I got this, like when I actually signed up. At that time I got it, right? But the next time I'm not even getting the confirmation email. Even if I send this thing again from here, I should be getting a confirmation email, but I'm not getting any confirmation email here, mainly because the user's email is not verified. So let's do one thing. Let's click on this particular thing. Let's verify the email. Email has been verified right now. I can close this. I can click on this again this time. Let's check one step back and refresh the page. I'm getting the approved change. Wow. So simple thing is that your email needs to be verified if you want to get the approved change. That simply means few more comments. Update email without verification false, and send email is being used. So I can say using send change confirmation and update email verification, that is false, that is by default. Then what will happen when you change your email and your email is not verified? What will happen here? You will not get approve email, and on your current email or Gmail, and the new email will get a verify email link directly. That's what have been happening over here so far. But over here the next thing is that rather the third step, if your email is verified, FIDED, verified, then what will happen? You will get approve email in your current email, and then verify email will be sent to the new email, just like this. Let's even try this thing, whatever I've written, that is right or no. So far what has been happening over here, कि my email wasn't verified, so the new email, that is this Vipin Singh Patel, it's been directly getting the verification email, right? Even this particular email I got 2 minutes ago and all. Okay, fine. So this has been directly getting that, but this time as my email is verified, so if I go here, so if I check this particular thing right now, Anshul Singh Patel 999, this is verified. As this is verified right now, I can go to my profile and I can try to change it. Try to change it in the sense VIPENDR, just like this. And if I send the request this time, and now check inside Vipin Singh Patel, I will have got approve email over here. Approve email, inside Anshul's email I will be getting approve email. So over here I got my approve email, but here I didn't get the verify email. Only when I click on the approve email, I clicked, then I will be getting another email in the over here. The email I have approved from here. Then I will be getting email for verifying the email, the new email. Now if I click on this, email is going to be verified, and if I check the email right now, that is Vipin Singh Patel 999@gmail.com. Got that? So this is the flow. Close this and close this as well. Come back here, and if I go to Better Auth, it will be Vipin Singh Patel. Got that? So this is the thing that is happening. If by the way, this is by default false, so I don't really need to worry about it. If I'm using send change email confirmation, so email confirmation will be sent. So when you change your email and your email is not verified, in that case what will happen? You will not get approved email on your current Gmail, and the new user will get the verify email link directly. That is also happened already. And after that, if your email is verified, in that case you will get approved email in your current email or current Gmail, whatever you call that. And then verify email will be sent to the new email after approval, just like this. So this much I have done so far. So this has been the first case where it is false and you are using a send change email. The next thing is this, like this is has been the first condition. Control C. Let's go with the second condition. And what is the second condition? One more thing, directly to the new approval. Okay, after the approval, after the verification, you will get the email to I can get rid of these things from here. These things are not needed. Over here I have just summarized everything. So first step, and if your email is great, then you will be getting that, otherwise you will be getting just like this. Okay, and one more thing, this is gonna be the fourth step. Only after verifying the new email you will see the changes, as simple as that. CHANGEG, changes. This is the first thing. What is the next situation? The next situation can be this. Let me come on, do it like this. The second situation can be just like this. This has been the first situation. The second situation can be, it can be true and I'm using my send change confirmation email. So this time update email without confirmation, that is true. That means I will not send the new email confirmation to the new user, but I will definitely send the confirmation. Okay, that's great. Let's try this thing out whether it works. By the way, what should happen over here? The steps can be, first one, when you change your when you change your email, you will get approval email in your current email or Gmail. Second, once approved email will be changed directly. These are the two things that should actually happen over here. So let's even see whether it is actually happening the way I want it to happen or not. For that thing, I'll have to make it true. First of all, this if I actually want to make it true, then I can say just here, and that's gonna be update email verification email. That's gonna be true. That's it. This is the change that I have made over here. Once I've made this particular change, then see the things, and this is already on. So let's see what's gonna happen. So reload the page. Let's go to the profile. Okay, inside this I have this particular email. What will I do? I will just simply make it Achal. ALCHAL. Okay, send the request. I'm sending the request from Vipendra. Request is going to and I'm trying to change it to the Achal. Okay, this is the Vipen's account. Let's see over here. Am I getting the confirmation email? Yes, I did get at 11:39. I got my approval email. Did I get any email on Achal's side? Let's see. Refresh the page. I'm not getting any email on this side. That is fine. If I approve it, once I approved it, the email should be changed directly. Let's see whether I'm getting Achal's email here or not. And Vipen Singh Patel. I did get the verify email. And once I click on this, email is verified. Now I'm getting Achal's. Just a sec. Maybe I will have to restart the server. I'm not sure, but this behavior should never happen. So let's simply let's even delete this, because right now what I'm using update email without verification. So email should be updated without verification. So let's run it again and try this thing one more time. Okay, so this time I can go here again and close this profile. I'm gonna be closing all those ones inside this. Reload the page. Which email is logged in right now? I can go to my better auth. It will take some time to compile this stuff, that's fine. Okay. So right now Anchal Singh Patel 999, that is actually logged in. I will be changing it to Vipendra Singh Patel. Let's do that. VIPENDRA Vipendra Singh Patel 999. That's it. As soon as I change it, this email will be sent. First of all, I need to go to Anchal's account and let's see whether I'm getting any approval email or not. Approval. Okay, I got the approval email. Fine. Am I getting any another email on Vipendra's side? At least not now. Once I approve it, let's see what's gonna happen. I approved this. Will I be getting the Vipen's email directly over here? No, I'm not getting Vipen's email directly over here. Rather, I need to come back in this one in Vipen's email. I will get a verify email. I'm not getting the verification email. That is a good thing actually, if I'm not getting. Okay, I have verified from my side, and once I've actually verified, then I should be getting Vipen's over here, but I'm not getting that. Reload the page. Anchal Singh Patel, I'm still getting that. Okay, in crazy thing. Simple as that. Let's keep it simple. When you don't get stuck, when you do get stuck, at that time you really need to do that. So the thing is simple. Update email without verification, that is true, and I'm sending a confirmation email. So this confirmation email will be sent to my email, that is right, and then I have to directly change the user's email, but that is actually not happening over here. Is it because I'm using this send confirmation email? Could be. What do I need to do then? Let's give it one more try, otherwise we will try something else. So just in here I have these two emails, Vipen's emails, Anchal's email. I didn't get any verify email. That is really good, at least because I'm making it true, so I should not be getting that. But after approval, it never happened. By the way, the token will be false if I'm not wrong, so I should be getting some kind of error over here. Okay, email verified successfully, great. After that, Anchal Singh Patel is still here. Let's try to change it one more time. I will just simply make it Vipendra, that's it. VIPENDRA, that is it. Click on request change. Once I clicked on this, I will be getting two Gmails. So first of all, inside Anchal's one, I will be getting approve email change. Okay, that is what I've got. And inside 43. 43. As soon as, why am I getting this here? Approval email link. Maybe it forgot. I'm making I made it true over here. Why am I sending is it sending me the request there? Let's try it one more time. First of all, I have to see them. Suppose I've seen this and I've seen that as well. Now I can click on this again, and here I should be getting approval email. I have got that. And am I getting verification? Okay, thankfully I'm not getting right now. Fine, I'm not getting that. And after that I can click on this approval email. Email verified. Anchal Singh Patel, that is still here. Am I getting any? I am getting verification email now. 11:44. And this is the verification email. If I click on this, go to dashboard, the email is changed. That simply means that even if you are using update email without verification, this cannot work with this confirmation. And I think that's the same must have been mentioned on the better auth side. So they are using update email verification without the confirmation. So when they are actually using confirmation, just here at that time they are not using email without verification. Okay, let's have this comment as well. Key update without verification true and user using this, then when you change your email, you will get approval email in your current Gmail, and once approved, new email verification link will be sent to the new email as well. So the next step can be, it's no use using these two together. Not together, together is not written like this, together, just like that. So don't use them together. Use this alone if you want without verification. So I can say one more thing, fourth number, if you want to update email without verification, use it alone. That is the simple thing. Never ever use it with send change email confirmation. Okay, alone it works fine, but if you're using with this change email confirmation, so as soon as you click on confirmation, approval email will be sent to the new user automatically, and that is why you should just use it alone, and that's gonna be working fine. Okay, so this is the second thing that got done. What is the next thing? The next thing is going to be that first thing is that this is false and this is I'm using this. Second, this is true and I'm using this. This should never happen. So never do this. Okay, what is the next thing that can be? The next thing can be that I'm using just only this thing and this is true. That is it. Let's try this thing out. So the next condition gonna be, if update email without verification, and that is true. In that case, what will happen? Let's see that thing as well. That's for that thing. What will I have to do? I will comment it. It will be true, and once it is actually commented, in that case it is already true. That means I should be able to directly change the email. That's it, nothing else, without verification. So let's try this thing out, and I can go here, close all these things, not required, not required. Okay, this one required. Reload the page, and one more thing. There are two conditions, right? First one, if your email is already verified, then what will happen? And in case if your email is not verified, then what will happen? So let's see. So over here I've covered already this particular section. So when you change your email and your email is not verified, in that case you will get approved email on your current Gmail, and the new user will get the verify link direct. In the new user will get a verify link directly. You will not get approved email, and the new user will be getting the link directly. That is fine. And in the next step, update email without verification, this is true, and this is sending email as well. Email is already verified, so this particular thing happens. But when the email is not verified, then what will happen? In case when the email is not verified, so the user will get the email directly, as simple as that, even if it is true. One more case can be, so many cases are here. First of all, I should never do this, but if I am doing this and email is not verified, whenever the email is not verified, the user should be getting the email directly, as simple as that. I can try it. If email is not verified, and over here this only happens when email is verified. Come on. If email is verified, only then this particular thing will happen. But what if when the email is not verified? In that case, approval will not be sent and user will be getting the verify email directly. Not even that, I should be able to change the email directly. Let's see. This is again a good, but so many steps. Never mind. So crazy stuff. update email without verification, that's gonna be true, and this time user is not going to be verified. If user is not going to be verified, I will not be getting the approval email, and if I'm not getting the approval email, that simply means that user should be verified directly. What? Now this is how it happens. Sign out and Prisma, reload it. User, I'm gonna be deleting all the users from here, and this time I will be going with I am gonna be deleting them, of course, and then this time I can just simply sign up with unstoppable one audiobook PASSWORD@1234 and PASSWORD@1234. Create the account. Successfully created. Right now email is not verified. I will directly try to change the email. So from one audiobook I will change it to coding the code 999. Right now email is not verified. That simply means approval will not be sent. So this is the one audiobook. Refresh the page. I must have got the verification email link, but I will not be verifying it. Just great. And apart from this particular thing, I have this coding the code 999. Reload the page. This is how it's gonna be going on. So these are the two ones that I have over here. I will be clicking on send request. So sent successfully. So if I check this thing over here, one audiobook, I will not be getting any approval email. That is right, mainly because my email is not verified, and over here I'm not getting. Oh, so I will be getting the email here directly. Interesting. 11:52. I can click on this, and once clicked I can go to the dashboard directly, and this email has been changed. Fine. So what will actually happen if email is verified? When you change your email, you will get approval email in your current Gmail. Once approved, verification link will be sent to the new user as well. It's no use using these together. If you want to update the verification, use it alone, never ever do it. And the second thing actually can be if email is not verified, if the email is not verified, then what will happen? Then few things will happen over here. So over here, this is gonna be the first step. If email is not verified, so user will directly new verification link will be sent to the new email directly. And second is after verification you will see the changes. That simply means no use to use this particular thing. I mean, that simply means that with send change email verification, update email without verification doesn't have any effect. It is effectless. So whether you are using update verification true or false, that doesn't really matter, because when you are actually using with the send change email confirmation, so this will be taking over this, as simple as that. So ultimately it will be just like this. So though I have mentioned many things over here, but the whole thing is just like this. Whether you are using true or false, that doesn't matter. So when you change your email and your email is not verified, you will not get approved email. That's what is actually happening over here, and the new user will get the verifying. That is exactly happened. And if your email is verified, you will get the approval in your current Gmail, and then verify email will be sent to the new user after approval. Only after verifying the new email you will see the changes, and that's what I'm saying over here. If email is verified, when you change your email, you will get approval in your current Gmail. Once approved, verification link will be sent to the new email as well. It's no use actually using it. That's right. So what I can do, that in both the cases I can just simply copy and paste this thing, because it's exactly the same. Exactly the same in the sense, just let's have it here just like this. And now I can have few messages over here at the end. A message, and message can be what? Message can be, it's no use using them together. If you want to update email, use it alone. Yeah, so this is gonna be the message, or maybe this one. Control C, and let's keep this message here just like this. So with the send change email verification, update email without verification doesn't have any effect. So never use this like this. Use it alone. Use update email without verification alone, just like this. So ultimately this thing I have already done. I can get rid of this whole thing from here. So this is great. So ultimately this much I've done over here. What is the next thing? The next thing can be it is true and it is just being used alone. Then what will happen? This is gonna be quite fun. Oh, Divya, good morning. After don't know how long, but yeah, I'm glad to have you here. How are you? And how's your web development journey going on? What all have you learned? Are you working on the projects and all? Like after learning HTML, CSS and JS? Let me know. By the way, let's see, let's try to use this thing only. So I will be uncommenting this time, kind of commenting this, forget about uncommenting, and only update verification will be true. Now let's see what's gonna happen. And again over here I will have two cases in the sense, in every case your email can be either verified, or maybe email can be not verified, or maybe let's make it better, unverified. So there are gonna be two cases, and in both the cases we will be checking exactly what happens. I've actually written a lot, can't really do anything. So let's see this thing in action. So what can I actually do? Let's check when the email is actually verified, then what will happen. For checking that, I have already turned it off, and I can come here, I can go to my profile, and from here I can try to change this, and I will be changing this to oneaudiobook1@gmail.com. Nothing will happen, no email will be sent, nothing. It should be changed directly. Let's see whether am I getting any email here. I'm still getting the error. Sorry, error I'm saying, email. Okay, from where did I actually send? It was coding the code. What was this? It actually got changed. Coding the code 999. So I sent the email from this, and I changed it to one audiobook. Let's see what happens this time. So in that particular case, one audiobook, this is the one. I got verification link. Verify your email. Okay, I need to verify my email, and if I verify my email, then what will happen? Did I get anything here? Refresh it. I didn't get anything here. That means if I want to change it, my email needs to be verified. So I can click on this, I can click on this, and email got verified. Then I'm able to see that. And once the email is verified, I can click on this again, and I can change it anytime. Coding the code 999@gmail.com. Change it. Okay, right now I should not be getting the at least emails. I just hope so. I didn't get any email in this particular section, bro. Coding the code, verify your. Verification email link will be sent anyhow. Crazy. Okay, and let's go to the main page first of all. This particular email is verified, yes or no? Yes. Let's click on profile. Okay, let's change this email to Anchal, forget about Anchal, one audio book 1@gmail.com. Okay, let's make a request change over here. Now I have to go to coding the code. I am here. I am getting any verification email over here? No. Am I getting any verification email here? Yes. One audiobook. What was my current email? My current email was coding the code 999, and I'm not getting any verification email here. That is right. I'm not even using that. That's fine. But I'm definitely getting this here. Why am I getting this here? Once I'm actually saying that, bro, update without email verification. So why am I getting this here? Let's restart it. It should not be like this. If I'm saying no, that means no, I don't want to I want to update it without verification. I can even delete this dot next from here, and let's try this thing right now, whether it is actually sending the email or not. I don't want it to send the request, but it is sending the email. Let's try it. I can go here, reload the page. First of all, inside these ones I will be checking them so that they are actually seen, and this is actually done as well. Reload the page. There are no emails right now. I'm back here, and once I'm back here, my email account is already verified, and once the account is actually verified, I can click on profile, and this time coding the code 999, right? So let's make it one audio book. Again, forget about the email. I just created once for some use. One audiobook 1@gmail.com. Click on this. The question is, will I be getting a request? I mean email verification email. One audiobook. Reload the page. Oh yeah, I did get this. Why am I getting this? One thing can be I'm using this callback URL over here. Maybe because of this callback URL I'm getting this. Let's see. One step back. Reload the page. Nothing here. Refresh the page. Nothing here. Then I can come back here again and refresh the page. Right now I have coding the code, right? So let's make it one audio book 1@gmail.com. Request the change. Verification sent. Let's see, bro. I'm getting the verification email link. As soon as I verify it, what will happen? As soon as I verify it, done. I mean, this is gonna be the user. Verify email link. Why am I sending that? auth.ts. Enable to update email without verification. Email should be updated without verification. That is true. By default it is false. So if I'm actually making it false like this, in that case it makes sense if it actually sends that, otherwise it doesn't make sense. From one audiobook to coding the code 999 request. So this is coding the code 999. I'm getting it here, and inside one audiobook I'm not getting here, and that is completely fine. I'm getting it here, that is also fine. I mean initially, at least right now. So I can click on this and this will be converted to coding the code, right? I can even go to dashboard like this and I'm getting this. The main thing is if I make it true. So in that case, it should not be working like that. It should be working directly. So let's make it forget about this. One audio book 1@gmail.com. Send the request. And in that case I have to check the email. I'm getting it here inside one audiobook. That's the same one I try to change to. That simply means I am getting it here. This should not happen. As simple as that. Update email without verification, that is true. That means verification link should not be sent, and if it is being sent, then something is wrong. Let's delete .next from here. Let's delete the node modules from here, and that is it. I need to install everything again. pnpm, forget about pnpm, npm install. Don't know how long I'll sit. At least I'll figure this thing out properly. npm run dev. Fine. I can open this. I can close the other stuff. Just like this. I can go to the dashboard. Okay. I can even log out. Just for this time coding the code 999, I mean, right? Let's add this and PASSWORD remember me, login. Alrighty, I'm logged in. I can go to my profile, and inside this I will be changing it to one audiobook 1@gmail.com. change it, send. Equal to 7. I did get the same. Okay, let's change it to something else. AMCHAL Singh Patel 999. Let's simply try to change this. Verification. Right, this is the one. Am I getting this here? Yes, I am getting this here. So approval will be sent when I use that particular thing. Okay. And whether I'm making it true or false is not gonna make any difference. Is that so? Reload the page. I'm gonna take a break for some time. I'll be back soon. Just gonna have a break. Just like that. Take care. I'm gonna be catching up soon.